In this video we will cover how to copy and paste a file to another location on your computer, and how to delete a file or folder. To copy and paste files, we can use a library called Shuttle. In Python, create a new file and name it Basics10. The Shuttle library doesn't automatically load when we create a new script, so we will need to import it. At the top of the script type, import Shuttle. Now, let's create some files to copy. First, create a new folder in your documents called Python Basics Copy. Then go into the folder and create two new folders. One named From, and the other named To Here. Go into the folder named From. Right-click and create a new text or notepad file. Name it New Text. Now back in the Python script window, on a new line, type source_path equals r''. Now, between the two apostrophes, we will need to enter the path that our source file was located. To do this, go back to the new folder you created, and in the path location bar, copy out the current path location, paste this back into the script between the two apostrophes. We will also need to add the name of the document to the path. To do this, at the end of the path, type \, then type the document name, which is new text.txt. It is important that we include the file type extension. Now that we have created the source path, enter down to a new line and create a new variable called destination_path. Then type equals r''. In between the two apostrophes, if we go back to our folders and go into the To Here folder, then copy out the path location, then paste in between the apostrophes. Then before the end apostrophe, type \new text.txt. So now we will have a source path and a destination path. Notice how, in front of the two source location strings, we have typed the letter R. This makes the string something called a raw string. And it tells Python that we want to include the \ as a character within the string. Normally in Python, a \ has a special meaning. It's normally used as an escape character, to enter down a new line in code. So specifying that the string is a raw string allows the code to read the whole text as a string rather than classing it as containing special characters. On the next line down, type shuttle.copy. Open bracket, source_path, comma, destination_path. Close bracket. This uses the Shuttle library and uses the method copy from it. We provide the where from part in the first part of the code, and the where to part in the second part of the code. Now if we run the file, then check our folder, we should have a copy of our file. The file will still be in the original folder, and has not been deleted. So, what if we wanted to copy more than one file from a folder? Well, in this case, we would need to use another library. At the top of your code, under the first import statement, add a new line and type import OS. Now, put everything we have done so far inside a function called example1, and enter a new line down, backspacing to remove any indents. Keep the import statements outside of the function. Now, copy the source and destination paths and paste them below the current code. In the source path, remove the new text.txt statement and put another \ on the end. Do the same for the destination path. To copy and paste multiple files, we will need to use a for statement, but first, in the From folder, let's make a few more files so that we have more files to copy. Copy and paste the current file twice, and rename the pasted files as File2 and File3. This gives us multiple files to copy. Now in the Python script, on a new line, type for file_name in os.list_dir, open bracket, source, path, close bracket, colon. What this does is tell Python to look in the folder location that we specified in the source path variable, and do something for each file in the location. Now press enter and type path1 equals source underscore path plus symbol file underscore name. This will create a new path name with the original source path variable and the file name that Python finds in each loop. Then enter down a line and type path2 equals destination underscore path plus symbol file underscore name. This will create a destination path for each file within the folder for each iteration of the loop. Now on a new line, type shuttle.copy, open bracket, path1, path2, close bracket. This is similar to our original copy statement in the first example we did, except this time, the source and destination names are dynamic, based on the file name within the folder which gets updated in each loop. Now run the code. Go to the to here folder. You should now see that all three files have been copied from the from folder to this location. So, what if we wanted to delete a file from a folder location? Well, we can use another function in the OS library called remove. In the script, put all of the latest code inside a function named example2. Then on a new line, copy and paste the destination underscore path from the first example and remove any indents. Rename the variable destination underscore path to delete underscore this. Then on a new line, type os.remove open bracket delete underscore this close bracket. This uses the function remove and removes the specified file. If we now run the code, then check the to here folder, we should now no longer have the file named new text and should only have two files remaining.